Flag and language ShipOwner 528. Some ship managers recently changed this bulk carrier flag from Hong Kong to Bahamas. It was because it is standing higher ranks in the port state controls, inspections, and it has a better reputation, goodwill. But many other ship owners are thinking about changing also to Madeira, because now it really is responsible and you can have these IBF agreements like Candina has via Pacific Crew Management. Others are thinking to a Spanish flag. Why? Because it is the best for the crew regarding retention of the LNG and the LPG also, and then tanker, and then container and ROPAX and fast ferries and general cargo, small units, and then we can also have a Spanish language on board and unite the Cuba and Venezuela pools that no one is using because this language requirement, and also because the USA visa requirement, and everybody is putting these new constraints. Yes, we, the mathematicians, we do formulas and logarithms, and then when we add new constraints, the percentage, the statistical probabilities go down to its possibilities, and then once they are down, really sunk in the middle of the ocean, the possibilities become like lotteries that just an illusion. You will never get this prize ever. And this is what people are doing with these flags. But the issue is the language. Why don't we change to Espanol? Yes, like Faulty Towers, Manuel, he was the boss. Yes, Manuel, gracias, thank you. Can we change the language of certain type of ships? Let's talk about containers, bulk carriers, Caribbean waters, tankers, type of ships that we know. Let's do the easy. When you have an exam of doctorate because you are a very intelligent ship owner, high IQ, then which are the questions you reply first? The difficult ones or the easy ones? Well, some say it's better to focus in the easy ones and then leave the hard ones for the rest. I remember this question, university: what do you think about the Margaret Thatcher economic policy? Wow, I left that one for the last. Yes, then now how can we solve the fleet that you have today, dear ship owner? With the flag? Or why don't we change language? Let's say 20% of your fleet around Europe and the Caribbean and America, not touching USA, because then we can really invest in the Cuba and Venezuelan seafarers, which is an opportunity because strategically they are very well placed geographically. It is really a luxury and a very good trade, and the countries, they need our help. Yes, we've always been developing countries. Now they need us, irrespective of these politicians. So please think about the flag. Yes, then you need huge expertise. And if you're thinking about the European flag, we have the biggest database of European seafarers. And then you can also think about the language. If you don't have a requirement of US visa, if you don't have a requirement of English, if you are trading in the Panama Canal and Caribbean area, Pacific also, Chile, Peru, Ecuador, all this area to Mexico, and then also trading to Europe, because the Eastern nationalities have visa issues. The Western American nationalities, we have no visa issues, having Hondurans, Venezuelans, Cubans, Panamanians, Peruvians, Ecuadorians, Colombians, Guatemalans, Salvadorians, Argentinians, Brazilians, yes, flying to Europe. We have no such issue. So think about what others are thinking. Oh, the flag. Oh, geez, get your point now, working with me, and let's have a solved situation. 50% of your fleet is easy solution. Let's do it first. Hit first, and then of course the others will follow later. That's the problem. Thank you for your time. Bye, ShipOwner.